Hi, I'm Deanna, co-founder of Brow Diva. Today I'm sharing the best natural looking brow hack for women over 50. With one simple technique, you can lift, define, and create fuller brows, naturally and effortlessly. I begin with the Brow Diva Sophia Brow Powder. Using the duo angled brush, I apply the powder to my entire eyebrow. And then using the spoolie end of the brush, I soften the powder for a natural look. Next, I'm using the Brow Diva Deep Brunette Pencil to define the outer edge of my brow, beginning with a line underneath my brow and stopping at the arch. Then above the middle of the front to the arch. And again, using the spoolie end of the pencil to soften the look so it's very natural. And that's it. Fuller, defined, natural-looking brows. Subscribe for more beauty tips for women over 50 and tap the bell so you never miss a tutorial. Explore Brow Diva's collection for timeless, natural-looking brows. Click the link below in the description. Here's to brows that frame your beauty with grace and ease.